Hey there, so I am just going to show you how to set up a recurring meeting. As you can see, I am logged into my Cobb County account here, and I'm just going to go up here to schedule a meeting. And you can give your meeting whatever topic and description you want to, and then you're going to set up your date. So let's say it's for next Wednesday for all the help sessions, and then what I would do is just set it to start at 8 a.m. and then have it go all day. So like 6 hours, I guess it would be for the kids, or however long you need it to go. And then set it as a recurring meeting, and then just have this recur every week on Wednesday, and then you can say if you want an end date at all. And then you can go through and you can, toggle all the different options if you want to. I don't usually require a passcode, and so forth. So anyway, you would go in here and you would hit save, and then what's going to pop up is your calendar option. So you can send information that way, or probably what's easier is just post this link. So this link right here would be your invitation link. You can copy that. You can copy this whole thing, and it's going to show all the different meeting dates that you've set up. Or if it's easier, you can just copy and paste this link. And that would be like your Wednesday link. You'll never have to set this up again. And that should work for all of the kids. So let me know if you have any more questions, but that should answer everything. And if not, I'm here for you.